and I speak on behalf of the Catalan National Assembly, a grassroots organization defending the right to self-determination of the Catalan people. The respect for human rights and minorities, especially those related to linguistic and cultural rights, effective participation, and the respect for civil and political rights are paramount for conflict prevention. The lack of consideration towards this can bring to political conflict. This is the case right now of Spanish authorities, who during the last decade have been carrying out a policy of recentralization of powers, benefiting the central administration on many occasions by a politicized use of the Constitutional Court. As so, very often in the past, the Catalan national minority is seeing its culture and language attacked and discriminated against once again. Since October 1st, 2017, Catalan democratic self-determination referendum, Spanish authorities have also launched a wave of repression against peaceful Catalan activists and representatives for defending the civil and political rights of the Catalan national minority. Over 3,300 peaceful Catalan activists and representatives have been politically persecuted by the Spanish authorities, creating a chilling effect on the exercise of freedom of expression, assembly, and the right to political participation. This alarming situation has been denounced by the Council of Europe, the UN Working Group on Arbitrary Detention, and international NGOs such as Amnesty International. It was also denounced in March 2020 in a report of the UN Special Rapporteur on Minority Issues, Mr. Fernand de Varenne, who alerted of an increase in hate speech, vilification, vandalism, physical threats, and even assaults against members of the Catalan minority, as well as allegations that these complaints are not investigated, thus increasing intolerance of Spanish nationalism. For all these reasons, the Catalan National Assembly calls on UN authorities to take measures to make sure that Spanish authorities stop their political persecution against Catalan political representatives and activists, respect the fundamental rights of the Catalan minority, and engage in a real political negotiation to solve this political conflict. Thank you very much.